In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to find live traffic reports on Google Maps. Let's get started. First, launch your Google Maps. Now click on this layers icon. Then select the option traffic. Once you enable this, Google Maps will immediately display current traffic conditions using color-coded routes. Green indicates that traffic is flowing normally. Orange means there is moderate traffic, and red shows heavy congestion or slow-moving traffic. You can zoom in or out to check traffic conditions in specific neighborhoods, highways, or along your planned route. If you're planning a trip, enter your destination and tap directions. Google Maps will automatically analyze current traffic conditions and recommend the fastest available route based on real-time data. If traffic changes while you are driving, the app continuously updates your route and may suggest an alternate path to help you avoid delays and reach your destination more quickly. And that's it. This is how you can easily find live traffic reports on Google Maps. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.